What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're seeing some life for our friend SPX6900. Remember, we're not trading this one. We're just holding and believing in something. So we're sitting at 73 cents. We're up almost 18% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 690 million. 24-hour volume is 25 million. So I've been DCAing every day that SPX is under $1. And we're starting to see a bit of a push. We never broke that low, so this can still be a wave 2. So if volume continues to step in here, then SPX can push all the way up to $1.07 with our wave 3 target, pull back in wave 4, push up in a wave 5, which would be the first larger wave 1 of the wave 3. If you're not familiar with Elliott wave, just do some research online and you can learn pretty quickly. So with the chart that we have, it could be inaccurate due to lack of chart, but I was counting a wave 1, wave 2, looking to push up in a larger wave 3. Within that are 5 waves. So we pushed up in a 1. We'd pull back into 2. Now we've created a double bottom, as you can see here, and we're starting to push up. So if we can break the neckline of that double bottom, all you need to do, take a measurement from the bottom of the pattern to the top and take it to the neckline. Let me clear everything up for you guys so you can see it more easily here. Remove my fib. So you have, as you can see, nice double bottom. So if you break that neckline, price will take you up to about $1.13. So that wave 3 might be overshooting, or you shoot up to $1.07, pull back in a 4, push up in a wave 5. Right? That's what we're looking at. And then, of course, with our largest wave count, all you have to do to get that target, just remember that I'm only working with the chart that I'm given. So it could end up being inaccurate due to the fact that SPX was around longer than when it was listed at 13 cents. But trend base extension from the bottom of 1 to the top. Yeah, see, I don't think that's accurate unless it's going to be overshooting, because it doesn't really make sense with that 1, 2. But I can give you an accurate target for this wave count, which is marked here. So you can take a trend base extension from the bottom of that wave to the top. And if we push from here, this will give you an accurate target for that wave 3, which is about $2.74, just like that. And then you pull back in a 4 and pull back in a 5. So for our smallest wave count, we're looking for a push to $1.07. And that will complete the first 5 waves of the wave 1 of this wave 3. And then you pull back 2, 3, 4, 5, push up to 272. That's what we're looking at for SPX. I do think there's a really good opportunity with the amount of interest and all the people creating new X accounts every day to push SPX, that we could easily go to $50 to $75. If we go to $100 a coin, it would just be madness, but it's possible. I haven't seen this kind of hype and community around a coin maybe since Bitcoin, so pretty much ever. So that's what I'm looking at for SPX. If you want completely free access to my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitnix. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. $200 bonus when you put $1,000 into your trading account. However, you do not have to do that to gain access to my group. You just have to take 30 seconds of your time and sign up and send me an email. And I will send you the link for my Discord, almost 3,000 members. Really worth it, guys. Most people are charging $50 to $100 a month. But I just want to help you reach financial freedom. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.